Today's class, I will ask few questions and let's see that how many answers you are able to give from the chapter 5, 6 and 7 till where we have studied. Let's check about your preparation. Which student has prepared how much and what is the preparation and are you able to give all the answers or not? Let's see this. So the very first question is, what are the five kingdoms classified by Whitaker? What is the answer for this? Monra, Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Correct. What are the subgroups of Plantae kingdom? Okay. Do you know what are phenograms? Phenograms. Yeah, correct. What are gymnosperms? Naked seeds we can say. Okay. What are the subgroups at various labels which were modified by Carl Woese? Carlwoese. Kingdom, phylum, class, order. Yeah, very good. Order, family, genus, species. What is the basic characteristic for the classification of organisms? Why nucleus? Hmm? What are that? Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Nuclear reason, correct. Uh, what do you mean by autotrophic mode of nutrition? What do you mean by autotrophic mode of nutrition? Yes, Yashika, Sagar, you are not able to give any answer. Why? Hmm. Organisms that can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis and due to the presence of pigment so called chlorophyll. Okay. What do you mean by heterotrophic mode of nutrition? Okay, yeah, very good, correct. The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend for their food on other organisms. Correct. You know what is the work of ribosome? Where are ribosomes present? Yeah, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. What is endoplasmic reticulum? What is endoplasmic reticulum? Large network of membrane bound vesicles. Yeah, correct. Tell me the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. To transfer the proteins to the Golgi apparatus. Okay. Which cell organelles are present in plant cell but absent in animal cell? Yeah, cell wall. Plastid, vacuole and cell wall. Why cell wall is present in plants? Give shape to plant and to provide support and protection to the plant. Yeah, and this cell wall is rigid, so it avoids or prevents from the excess of loss of water from the plant. When the plant do not want to lose water, these cell walls get rigid and they prevent the loss of water from the plant in case of scarcity of water. Okay, are vacuoles present in animal cell? Yeah, but they are very small in size and some animals lack vacuole also. Means the some animals do not have vacuole but some which are having they are very small sized. Why the vacuole is large sized in plant cell? Okay, what is the location of nucleus in the plant cell? Because of the large size of the vacuole. Okay, what is the location of nucleus in the animal cell? Okay, what do you mean by cell division? Okay, when a mother cell divides into two daughter cells, do the two daughter cells have equal cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum? Yeah, okay. What is meristematic tissue? What is meristematic tissue? Yeah. Is there any other name for meristematic tissue? No. Any other name for meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue is also known as dividing tissue. Okay, what happens when meristematic tissue stops dividing? Yeah, it becomes a permanent tissue. And by which process it becomes permanent tissue? What is that process called? When it gets a definite shape and size? Differentiation. Very good. Can you tell me some simple permanent tissues? And chlorenchyma. Yeah. Parenchyma, collenchyma, aerenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma. What is the work of parenchyma? Okay. Can you tell me the constituents of xylem tissue? Xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma, tracheids, and vessels. Okay. What are the constituents of phylum? Okay. What are vascular tissues? What are vascular tissues? Repeat the answer. Yeah, you can say. Yeah, the tissue which helps in the transportation of food and water, for example, xylem and phylum. Okay, what are cardiac muscles? What are cardiac muscles? Hmm. Okay. What are involuntary muscles? Any example of involuntary muscle? Cardiac muscles. What are voluntary muscles? Okay. What is a neuron? What is a neuron? A single nerve cell is called neuron. Okay. Which is the longest cell? Which is the Yeah. Neuron is the longest cell. Can you tell me about the length of neuron or the nerve cell? Yeah. 1 meter long in humans, and the longest nerve cell is found in the giraffe's neck, approximate 3 meter long. Correct? Yeah. Which tissue is responsible for the response to the stimulus or the environment? Okay. What are tendons? It is a type of connective tissue, na? Tendon is a type of connective tissue. Okay. And it connects muscles to bone. What are ligaments? Which connect bone to bone. What is blood? Okay. What is the matrix of blood? Liquid matrix. What is the matrix of bones? What is nutrition? What is nutrition? Okay. What are nutrients? Omega. The substances which are taken by the organism as food are called nutrients, and nutrients example are fats, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals. Correct now? Okay. Tell me about the different stages involved in the digestion in human beings. There are five processes so involved: ingestion, digestion, absorption, excretion. Okay. Do you know how does amoeba take its food? Pseudopodia. Endocytosis. Very good. Can you tell me what is plasmolysis? It is just after that only, na endocytosis. After that only there is a question. What is plasmolysis? It is on the next page on the chapter, same chapter. Okay, now we ask from questions. No, no, I am asking what is plasmolysis? Don't know. Yeah, okay. The removal of excess of water can take place there. Do you know what is hypotonic solution? And what will happen to a plant or animal cell which is put in that? No, tell the answer again. Yeah. When the exchange of gases or the water will take place in the cell. Yeah, that will the cell will swell up in hypotonic solution. Okay. When the exchange of materials like water or gases take place in the cell. When there is a difference in the concentration in the environment, that is external and internal environment of the cell. Correct now? Okay. Did you go through that kingdom study Monra? Yeah. That is the SPM. Plasma membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane because it permits the entry and exit of materials in and out of the cell's environment. Did you study about Monra kingdom?